Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the transformer in this Frigidaire microwave oven, you will need a T15 tamper-proof Torx bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 6 rear screws securing the cover using the T15 tamper-proof Torx bit. Unthread the screw on the right side of the cover as well. Pull the rear sides of the cover out, then lift the cover up and pull back to fully remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Note the orientation of the primary supply voltage wires attached to the transformer, then disconnect them. Note the orientation of the secondary high voltage wires connected to the magnetron and capacitor, then disconnect them. Remove the glass tray from the oven cavity. Now tip the microwave on its left side. Unthread the 4 mounting screws securing the transformer to the base using the Phillips head screwdriver. Be aware the transformer is surprisingly heavy. With the screws unthreaded, carefully lift out the old component. To install the new transformer, align it on the base. Then thread and tighten the 4 mounting screws to secure. Return the microwave to its upright position. Connect the secondary high voltage wires to the magnetron terminals and capacitor terminals. Connect the primary supply voltage wires to the terminals on the transformer. Reinstall the microwave oven cover by first aligning the top edge, then the sides. Thread and tighten the 7 screws to secure. Realign the glass tray on the turntable coupler. Plug the power cord back in. And the microwave oven should be ready for use.